Hello and welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today we are preparing authentic Ghana beef lice soup or beef pepper soup. This soup was super delicious, and I know after watching this video you're going to love making yourself your own beef pepper soup. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Okay, so in my cooking pot I have some washed beef and I added in some salted pork and salted beef as well. And for vegetables I'm going to add in some fresh tomatoes, carrots and one large onion. You can use any vegetable that you prefer. And for the tomatoes, you can omit one of them if you don't want too much tomatoes in your soup. To that I'm going to add in some fresh pepper, and the pepper is to my taste. And for the seasoning I'm going to go in with some all-purpose seasoning salt and a little bit of salt to taste. And because I added in some salted pork, salted beef and some seasoning salt, no need adding in salt again. This is to my preference. Add a little bit of water to this to steam until the vegetables is soft enough to blend. Whilst that is going on, I'm going to go ahead and blend some garlic, ginger, and I'm going to remove my vegetables, add it to the garlic and ginger and blend until everything becomes very smooth. And to my returning subscribers and new babies right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing and commenting. Fam, I am truly grateful. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do turn it on and be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after adding in the vegetables, I'm going to add in a little bit of water to it and blend until it is nice and smooth, okay? After that, we're going to add it to our meat, and just look at that. It looks very juicy and very delicious already. Dilute this a little bit with some water, and the water you add to the soup depends on how you want it. I added in some precursor to give it extra flavor. Now stir your soup very well and cover it to cook on medium heat until it is nice and ready. And as usual, I am going to enjoy this with some fufu. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this beef lice soup recipe. I really enjoyed myself and I know you're going to give it a try. And yes, I'm not going to enjoy all this meat today. This is just for demonstration purposes, yes. Don't come after me because I don't take in too much meat. So now all what is left is for us to serve and enjoy ourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do wait to subscribe to this channel. And while you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell as well and be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.